to Robot Operating System for Beginners. In this tutorial, we will be discussed about Catkin Workspace, Node, and topic concepts. Let's get started.
So we can search ROS Catkin Workspace. If you search this one, the first link you just open and the steps are very simple. If you are in kinetic part, you just switch your tab here, kinetic. Next, only we have to run these three codes. You have to run these three codes individually. Just copy this one, Control C, and open the terminal. Just minimize this window. Right click here, open terminal, plus on open terminal here, control shift V. Okay, control shift V. Like this, if you run these commands, okay, if you run these commands, three commands individually, we can able to create the Catkin workspace in your library. So this is for just creating your current directory. Fine. So anyway, this is a one method to open your terminal in current directory, or else there is another other method. You just go to this files option. If you go to the home button, if you switch to the home button, you can able to find the catkin underscore ws, right? So if you run that command, so initially this folder won't be there in your computer. If you run those commands, so this folder will be created. If you open this folder, so just forget about the lab 7. This is created. Three folders will be there: build, devil, and source. Okay, so build, devel, and source src folders will be there. Okay, this is the one method. Directly we can go to here and open in a terminal to make it current directory. I will explain. So first turtle scene, this current directory will not affect us. So what I'm doing, I presume that you are ready with your Catkin workspace. Okay, just right click on this, right click your mouse and click on open terminal. Okay, so this is the base name. You can able to see you are in just desktop folder, and you can open one terminal and just enter ROS core. Okay, if you enter the ROS core, now we can see these parameter we can able to check, right? So I am using distro kinetic and my ROS version is 1.12.16. Okay, now if you focus on this one, I am unable to enter the commands, right? So raw score, this terminal is dedicated to open the master. Okay, we cannot do anything in this particular terminal. Am I right? Why? Because initially if it is ready, this terminal is ready. After executing the code, it should show this name. Okay, so it is not showing this name, so that's why it is busy with master. Okay, so raw score is ready. If you want to crash it, or else if you want to kill it, so you can use the command control C. So if I press control C, I just see it is killing my master. Now I can able to see the computer name. Right now my master is not ready. So to make it again ready, I'll just use the same command. To use the same command, just previous command, use the upper arrow mark. Okay, I'm using upper arrow from my keyboard. Directly you can see raw score is present. So this is a previous code which I am just executed in the terminal. Okay, so you can use the upper key, right? So and again I am just entering. Right now the raw score is ready, my master is ready. After that I am not doing anything with this. You can simply minimize this one. Okay, you can minimize that one. It will be here. Okay, it will be in terminal. So you can see one arrow mark. So one terminal is there. Okay, so if you can able to see the two arrow marks here, two triangles, two terminals are open. Okay, next open another terminal. Okay, so now you can see here two triangles are there. So this is my second terminal, and I'm just minimizing. I'm just reducing this size. Why? Because parallel I have to open four terminals to explain this concept. So what I'm doing, I'm just distributing my space. So you do just do the same thing. You just open the terminal and just reduce its occupation. Right now I'm entering ROS node. Okay, so when I'm talking about nodes and topics frequently, I would like to know what are the ROS nodes are there, or else what are the ROS topics are there. So to do so, you can enter ROS node space hyphen h. Okay, you please enter this one, ROS node space hyphen h, in a new terminal. Okay, So now you can see there are few commands it is displaying. So there are ROS node ping option, ROS node list option, ROS node info option, ROS node mission, kill, cleanup. Okay. So if you are enter ROS node, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extensions are there. Okay. Ping will test your connectivity to the node. Okay. You can use this ping one and you can enter your another node. So it will tell you the connectivity between these two nodes. In that case, you can use the ping. ROS node list. Okay, so if you use list option, it will list all the active nodes. Okay, for example, I'm just opening the second terminal. If I'm keep on opening some other nodes, whatever the nodes are actively present at that particular task, if you want to check out, you can use this command ROS node list. And ROS node info will give the information about particular node. A mission is nothing but it's a simple command. If you enter ROS node mission, okay, so let me copy this one, ROS node mission. Oh, okay. So here don't press Control C. If you want to copy, right click and select the copy option. If you make it Control C, it will interrupt your terminal. Of course, nothing will happen here. Now you just use Control Shift V and ROS node mission. So if you enter ROS node mission, it will simply tell you your mission name. That's it, nothing more than that. Okay. So where particular this code is running in particular mission, it will display the name. And so kill, if you want to kill your particular node. Okay, so for example, multiple nodes are there. So if you want to kill your particular node, you can use this option, right? And cleanup is also very useful option. Okay, cleanup is also very useful function. So whenever there is information is unreachable nodes. For example, you kill the nodes and those nodes are those are not properly closed. At the time, you can call the cleanup option and you can clean all unreachable nodes. Okay, so this will save your space and this will delete your register IDs and etc. Okay, so that's it. And at the same time, I will open one more terminal. So in this terminal, let me resize my window size. Just arrange here. So everybody do this process. You just open the second terminal, so and arrange on your desktop. Okay, so here what I'm doing, this node I am using for nodes, and this new terminal I am using for topics. Okay, so far we just explore some concept in nodes, and similarly now we just focus on topics. Just enter ROS topic hyphen h. Okay, so if you enter this one, it will give you different topics are already available in your raw score. Okay, so we have a bandwidth, and you have an option delay, so to delay particular topic. And you have an option echo is very important to get the messages from the screen, right? For example, your robot, what is the command velocity, what are the poses, what are the color, right? So all these data, if you want to see on screen, you can use the echo option, and you can use find option to find the topics, and heads to display the rate of the topic, and info will give the information about particular topic, and list will give the active topics in the ROS, and pub will use to publish the topic, and type will give them just the field type. Okay, what type of field it is, the particular topic. If you want to know, you can use this option ROS topic type. So we are not explored anything. Just we opened raw score, and I just opened two terminals. In one terminals, I am just getting the information from ROS node, and another terminal, this terminal, I am getting information from the topics, right? So far we just know how many different topics are there, how many different nodes are there in raw score. We just explored, right? Now, so here, see here, I would like to know the ROS node list. Okay, so far I have only one node, that is ROS out. So ROS code is there, so I have only one node, that is ROS out. Similarly, I would like to know the ROS topic list. What are the list topic lists are available just now, right? Here, if you see, interestingly, we can able to check the two nodes, right? Two list. One is ROS out and ROS out AGG. Now, this is very important. Aggregate is very important. As already I said that if master will crashes, it means ROS out will crashes. It can able to topics can able to publish the topics using ROS out aggregate. Okay. So here we have a two options: ROS out aggregate and ROS out. And nodes we are having only ROS out.
And that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for future updates. This is Srinivas signing off.